In any hospital, ensuring patient safety is the top priority, but with medications stored across multiple units, clinics, and carts, how do you ensure every single one is safe and properly documented? Completing and tracking unit inspection is time-consuming and prone to human error, putting your facility at risk to meet medication management and safety standards. Simplifi MedStorage transforms this challenge into a streamlined, automated process. It's a digital solution that empowers you to standardize medication storage inspections across your entire facility. Pharmacy leaders can easily create and schedule digital checklists for assessment and compliance, all from a central platform. Let's see how it works in action. A pharmacy technician starts her day. Instead of juggling paper forms, she sees an alert on her to-do list for a scheduled inspection. Today, it's in the critical care unit's nursing unit. She goes to the nursing unit and moves through the checklist, verifying each requirement for inspection. If she finds an issue, like a medication stored improperly, she can document it with a photo and notes right in the platform, creating an instant record for follow-up. This digital process is not only faster for staff, but also gives managers complete oversight. Instead of waiting for paperwork, the pharmacy manager can track inspection progress across the facility. Automated notifications flag missed inspections or unresolved issues and send them to management, allowing you to address problems before they escalate. With all the data in one place, you can review completion rates, pinpoint compliance gaps, and standardize operations by deploying updated inspections system-wide from one central location. This robust reporting eliminates stressful, last-minute preparations for inspections. When the Joint Commission arrives, you'll have everything you need. Also, produce customized compliance reports in actionable formats that demonstrate a system-wide commitment to medication safety. Simplifi MedStorage helps you ensure that every medication is stored safely, every time, and that you never forget a required medication inspection. Save time, reduce regulatory risk, and most importantly, protect your patients. All this, along with deep pharmacy compliance expertise, you've come to expect from the market leader, Wolters Kluwer. Learn more about how Simplifi MedStorage and Wolters Kluwer's suite of Simplifi Pharmacy compliance solutions by speaking with one of our experts or visiting our website.